Look at the pumpkin person.
Corey has enjoyed everything from the carousel to the train, which is his favorite. And he especially loves the live entertainment. He usually stops and we have many, many pictures of him smiling. Fall is one of his favorite seasons because of all the bright colors and all the displays. So I think we probably came for the first time when he was around 7 or 8. The first thing I did when we got home, the very first visit, was go on Facebook and announce to the world, Dollywood has changing tables full length for our children and we need to go there and support them.
Look at this.
We are an amazing opportunity for families to come together and just enjoy time together. It's a beautiful park. We're not a lot of steel and concrete. There's rides, there's shows, there's great food, and that's what has made us a leader in our industry, is that you just can't have the experience other places that you can have at Dollywood. We have 4 adult changing tables adjacent to our family care centers. It's very convenient for families, and there's locations throughout the park.
We're always looking for ways to improve. So yes, we did have the tables available, but listening to our guests that actually came here, the state of Tennessee reached out to us to tell us about this grant program. The particular table we have, it lowers basically down to the ground, and it's all remote controlled, so there's no more lifting, family lift. It's easy access, a 1 button push and it will raise up to where you need it. It also has an adjustable head side, so if we need a lift, lower, as well as a safety railing, so as you're putting them up there, just that little bit more support. We have had guests here exploring with it and said, wow, I can do this on my own now.
I think it's a wonderful asset for any business or any organization.
Whoa, look at that.
Unless you have an older child or a young adult in your family who has this particular need, you don't understand what a life changer it is to be able to come to some place and know that you're not going to have to take your child all the way back out to your van, or heaven forbid, throw something down on the bathroom floor, to be able to actually just change a diaper. If you have a table that's usable, then it lets you stay at the park longer. It lets you enjoy everything for a longer period of time.
We also have a wonderful partner with Covenant Health, and they help us support our calming room and our baby care centers and our safety centers. I believe really it starts with the heart of our company. We strive every day to do everything that we can do to make the park accessible for all of our guests, to enjoy all the wonderful things we have to offer at Dollywood.
Are you happy?
We've been very happy with that and really with the treatment that we've received throughout the park. All of the workers have been very accommodating and doing anything they can to make us happy while we're here.